Making money from cryptocurrency can be both rewarding and risky, as the crypto market is highly volatile and speculative. Here are some ways people typically make money with cryptocurrencies. 1. Buying and holding hodling ***. This is the most common strategy where you purchase cryptocurrencies and hold onto them with the expectation that their value will increase over time. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two popular choices for long-term holding. 2. Trading ***. Crypto trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies in the short term to take advantage of price fluctuations. Traders use various strategies like day trading, swing trading, and arbitrage to make profits. Keep in mind that trading carries high risk and can lead to losses if not done carefully. 3. Mining ***. Cryptocurrency mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions on a blockchain network. Miners are rewarded with newly created coins and transaction fees. While this was more accessible in the early days of cryptocurrencies, it now often requires significant computing power and resources. 4. Staking ***. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking as a way to earn passive income. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations and, in return, receiving rewards in the form of more of that cryptocurrency. 5. Dividend and yield programs ***. Certain cryptocurrencies and platforms offer dividend or yield programs, where you can earn interest or dividends by holding or lending your cryptocurrencies. This is similar to earning interest in a savings account. 6. Participating in ICOs and token sales ***. Investing in initial coin offerings ICOs and token sales can be profitable if you can identify promising projects early. However, it's crucial to research thoroughly and be cautious of potential scams. 7. Airdrops ***. Some projects distribute free tokens to holders of a specific cryptocurrency as a marketing or reward mechanism. Participating in airdrops can be a way to acquire new cryptocurrencies without direct investment. 8. Bounty programs ***. Some crypto projects offer bounties for tasks like bug hunting, marketing, or content creation. You can earn cryptocurrencies by participating in these programs. 9. Peer-to-peer P2P lending and borrowing ***. Platforms like Compound and Aave allow you to lend your cryptocurrencies and earn interest or borrow cryptocurrencies by collateralizing your assets. It's a way to earn interest or leverage your holdings. 10. Running masternodes ***. Certain cryptocurrencies, like Dash and Decreed, offer rewards to individuals who run masternodes, which help secure and operate the network. Remember that the crypto market is highly speculative and can be extremely volatile. It's essential to do your research, diversify your investments, and only invest money you can afford to lose. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals and understanding the tax implications of your cryptocurrency activities in your jurisdiction. Always use secure wallets and exchanges to protect your investments.